The mysterious founder. Behind DeepSeek's success, artificial intelligence is evolving at an astonishing rate, with new players emerging every day. But one name has been making waves in the AI world: DeepSeek. A company that seemingly appeared out of nowhere and quickly rose to prominence, competing with giants like OpenAI and Google DeepMind. But here's the twist. Nobody really knows who's behind it. Unlike Elon Musk, Sam Altman, or Demis Hassabis, the mastermind behind DeepSeek remains an enigma. No flashy interviews, no public appearances, just pure innovation and dominance in AI development. Who is this mysterious figure? And how did they manage to disrupt the AI industry so quickly? In today's video, we're diving deep into the mystery surrounding DeepSeek's secretive founder. Strap in, this is going to be a wild ride. Before we dive into it, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss more deep dives into the mysteries of technology. The rise of Liang Wenfeng, a visionary in AI. Liang Wenfeng, a 40-year-old former hedge fund manager, grew up in Guangdong, China in the 1980s, reportedly the child of teachers in the area, which is now known for its tech industry, and he later received a bachelor's and master's degree in information and communication engineering from Zhejiang University. According to Reuters, is the mastermind behind DeepSeek, the artificial intelligence company that has sent shockwaves through the U.S. stock market. His journey from finance to technology reflects a broader ambition: to bridge the AI gap between China and the United States. Why the secrecy? Several reasons might explain why DeepSeek's founder has chosen to remain out of the public eye. DeepSeek's approach contrasts with Silicon Valley norms by prioritizing its technology over personal branding. By keeping leadership anonymous, the focus remains on innovation rather than individuals. Security concerns also play a role. AI is a competitive and politically sensitive field, making researchers potential targets for cyber threats and espionage. Anonymity may protect the founder from these risks. Philosophically, the decision could reflect a belief in AI's democratization, emphasizing collective progress over individual recognition. Additionally, staying out of the public eye helps DeepSeek navigate regulatory challenges. With AI facing increased government scrutiny, an anonymous leadership structure minimizes distractions, allowing the company to focus on advancing its technology without undue attention or interference. A foray into finance and AI. In 2015, Liang co-founded Highflyer, a quantitative hedge fund that leveraged mathematics and AI to refine investment strategies. The firm launched its first AI model in October 2016, marking a transition from traditional machine learning algorithms to AI-driven stock market predictions. By 2017, Highflyer had incorporated AI models into nearly all its stock positions and built a dedicated AI research team, the strategic stockpile of GPUs. In 2021, Liang began amassing thousands of NVIDIA graphics processors for an undisclosed AI project. This move came just before U.S. restrictions on the export of advanced chips to China, a move that would later force DeepSeek to innovate within hardware limitations. What is DeepSeek? DeepSeek, initially founded with just $1.4 million, has quickly risen to prominence. Its AI models became available for download in the US earlier this year, surging to the top of iPhone download charts, even surpassing OpenAI's ChatGPT. The company claims that its models outperform competitors in mathematical reasoning, general knowledge, and question-answering capabilities. The most advanced model, DeepSeek R1, has been compared to leading AI systems from OpenAI and Meta. However, DeepSeek has reportedly achieved similar performance levels with significantly lower development costs. This efficiency has rattled American chipmakers and AI companies, prompting concerns about the true cost and potential undisclosed funding sources. The birth of DeepSeek. Founded in 2023, DeepSeek emerged as a formidable player in the AI industry. Despite being cut off from NVIDIA's cutting-edge chips, the company optimized China's available processors to build its AI models. This ingenuity enabled DeepSeek to achieve remarkable efficiency while maintaining lower costs than its Western competitors. Liang Wenfeng on AI and China's role. Liang has been vocal about China's position in the AI industry. In an interview with the Chinese tech outlet 36 Kr, he emphasized the need for China to transition from being a follower to a contributor in AI development. He warned that unless China closed the technological gap with the US within the next 1 to 2 years, it would continue lagging behind in innovation. Government connections and influence. Liang's influence extends beyond business. On January 20th, he participated in a closed-door meeting with Chinese Premier Li Qiang and other industry experts. During this event, Premier Li stressed the importance of breakthroughs in core and cutting-edge technologies. Some analysts believe DeepSeek has the potential to achieve groundbreaking advancements, as suggested by AI experts from Beijing University and local government statements. Controversial censorship and limitations. While DeepSeek's AI model has been lauded for its capabilities, it also raises concerns regarding censorship. The chatbot refuses to answer questions on sensitive topics such as China's treatment of Uyghurs, Taiwan's political status, and the Tiananmen Square protests of 1989. This selective filtering has led to speculation about government influence on DeepSeek's AI policies. How does DeepSeek compare to US AI models? DeepSeek's models, including R1 and V3, rank among the top 10 AI products on Chatbot Arena, a benchmarking platform hosted by the University of California, Berkeley. In some cases, they even outperform models developed by OpenAI, Google, and Elon Musk's xAI. Despite these impressive rankings, DeepSeek still faces hardware limitations due to restrictions on accessing NVIDIA's advanced chips, the enigma of Liang Wenfeng. Despite his growing influence in the AI industry, Liang remains an enigmatic figure. When Forbes inquired about him through DeepSeek's chatbot, the AI responded that there was little publicly available information about his personal and academic background. DeepSeek also acknowledged that Liang has maintained a relatively low profile compared to other tech entrepreneurs. The market impact of DeepSeek. The release of DeepSeek's generative AI model triggered a massive sell-off in US tech stocks, wiping nearly $600 billion from the market. NVIDIA, a dominant player in AI hardware, suffered significant losses, while Oracle chairman Larry Ellison and NVIDIA CEO Jensen Huang saw their net worths drop by $27.6 billion and $20.8 billion, respectively. A wake-up call for U.S. tech. The success of DeepSeek has raised concerns among American policymakers and tech leaders. Former President Donald Trump, who recently announced a $500 billion AI infrastructure initiative, acknowledged DeepSeek's rise as a wake-up call for U.S. industries. He praised the company for its cost-efficient AI advancements, but also emphasized the need for America to stay competitive in the AI race. The future of DeepSeek and AI innovation. DeepSeek's rapid rise underscores the shifting dynamics of global AI development. With limited access to NVIDIA's chips, the company has had to rely on ingenuity and resourcefulness to compete with Western AI giants. However, questions remain about how long it can maintain its edge without cutting-edge hardware. As AI continues to reshape industries and economies, Liang Wenfeng's DeepSeek is at the center of a broader geopolitical and technological competition. Whether DeepSeek will remain a disruptor or face significant hurdles due to hardware constraints and regulatory scrutiny is yet to be seen. One thing is clear: Liang Wenfeng has already made his mark on the AI landscape, and his next moves will be closely watched worldwide. So what do you think? Is DeepSeek's founder just an ultra-private genius who prefers to work behind the scenes? Or is there something bigger at play, something the world isn't meant to know? One thing's for sure: this is just the beginning. As AI continues to reshape our world, the minds behind it will become even more powerful, whether we know their names or not. If you enjoyed this deep dive, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more AI mysteries and tech revelations. And if you have any theories about DeepSeek's founder, drop them in the comments. I'd love to hear your thoughts. Until next time, stay curious, stay questioning, and I'll see you in the next one.